Hey, it's Damaris. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be letting my daughter do my makeup. And here's my daughter, Lila. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
She's a little shy, but yeah, I know she's been waiting on this video. I've been lagging. And today I was just like, hey, do you want to film this video? And she's like, yes, I'm actually super excited. So here we are. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe, also comment and like. It does help the channel. All right, let's get right into it. And if I look a mess, it's because I am. Okay. Okay. Ready, Layla? All right.
It's Revolution, Conceal, and Hydrate.
Okay. And it is medium to full coverage. And the tone or shade F2. And then for the blending, we're going to be using my Moda, whatever brush. My Moda brush. Cute little like unicorn brush here. Alright, here we go.
I've seen you do this before.
You have?
You don't put on your fingers, right?
I don't know. We'll have to see. I can't tell you what you're doing. It's your turn to do my makeup. So.
I really don't want to do this, but then I do. That's what I'm going to do for now. This is actually scary.
Right? It's not scary.
Because it's not on camera. Last time I did it off camera, but I didn't do much.
So this time you're doing like full action, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Well, you're fine. You've watched me do this plenty of times, so there should be no reason why you failed.
Except for your head already getting in it.
It's okay. Don't be scared. I will say foundation is meant to cover the whole face. Except the eyes.
Yeah. Why would you do the eyes?
I have no idea.
You do your chin. Think.
You look like a ghost.
Yeah.
And I'm already super white. So every time I put my foundation on, I look even whiter.
Yeah. I think that's kind of
No, you're fine.
okay there, I think.
Alright, so what do you think goes next?
I'm not sure. It's Airs Pun. Loose face powder. Yeah.
Okay.
Supposed to.
Okay, so what I do is I usually put some in here.
Yeah, I saw you do this before.
So I just flip it down and take a couple pats.
That's easier. Yeah, I think it's all over the face. The face one, I think. It's gonna get all over you.
Don't worry. Like I said, you're the artist today. Feel whatever your heart desires.
My teacher asked what I was doing today, or yesterday, or yeah, today. I'm just gonna say it. I was doing my mom's makeup. Did that. This kind of gave me. I don't like it. I'm just gonna say that looks good.
Okay, perfect.
I kind of feel like I was supposed to do this first. Oh wait, no. This is after. I've seen you do this before. I was like, are you supposed to put that first?
Well, you can. Yeah, you can.
Oh, that's lip gloss, right? I'm just gonna say maybe it's this guy's turn.
Maybe.
Beauty queen. It's eyeshadow palette.
Shout out to my cousin Herman. He actually bought me this palette for my birthday. Hecka cute. He knows I love cheetah print and glitter. So these come with like neutral colors and then some dark colors and glitters. Super, super cute. All right, Lila, so what shade are you going to be going with?
I'm gonna go with something that's not too much.
Okay.
Oh, oops. I wanted to use the unicorn one.
Okay, and then we're switching brushes to the eyeshadow brush. It doesn't, a crease brush. So it is a crease brush.
I'm gonna use something not too much. I'm gonna use this.
What color is it?
It's this one.
Perfect.
And this part was always the hardest for me. Okay, that's it. Coucher.
Artist Couture.
Summer Haze Diamond Glow Powder. Oh, I'm just gonna make your face glow. I'm honestly gonna say this one, I think. Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. I'm honestly scared.
Don't be scared.
There's powder everywhere.
It's okay.
I don't know where else you're supposed to
Perfect.
put this. I'm making you look like a clown, Mommy.
Are you?
Yes.
No, I'm not looking like no clown.
I'm gonna try to take that off.
Okay.
This is the part where I messed up. I think this was the wrong brush.
No, it's the right. You can use any brush. It doesn't matter.
No, but I'm just gonna use this because it kind of looks flat. I don't like that look you're giving me. I'm just gonna put that on you. Spread it.
Spread. It's like she's talking about food. Just spread it on your sandwich face, Mom.
Sorry, I'm obsessive. Okay.
Spread it. Just spread it on there, guys.
Yeah, start putting this away now.
Thank you. Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Yeah.
But read the rest.
I don't know. It just says dip brown pomade. Soft brown.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna figure out what this is. If it's the same. Hold up. I'm scared of what. Oh, this is for your eyebrows, isn't it? This is for your eyebrow.
Is it?
I think.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, wait. No. It's this. I didn't notice this. I literally. Well, we're gonna put that away. Okay.
I shouldn't have said anything or did any facial expressions and just let you do that. That would have been funny. Because it's a whole concealer brush, guys. How's it looking?
Look kind of good. Okay. I'm gonna say I'm done with this.
So you only did one eyebrow? Okay, no, you're done. You said you're done, so
No,
let's just leave it at that.
I'm done. I'm not. I'm doing the other. Oh, that actually kind of pretty good. And then I messed it up. But that actually looks good.
Perfect.
Okay. Okay. Next, I'm just gonna do all the easy first. Is this the same thing?
No.
No, okay. We're just gonna do Ellen Tracy. It's face contouring kit by Perfect Sculpt, I think. Yeah. Okay. I'm so sorry if this is the wrong brush. I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna use brown. There you go. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. It's called a contour cream kit. Yeah. I'm scared what this is. I don't even know anymore. I'm just gonna go with the flow now. Hold up, can't you just see what this cream kit? That's all I have to say for it. I guess the company didn't want me to figure it out either. I'm scared. I don't know if I'm doing okay. Just try not to laugh, because I know I'm doing this wrong kind.
You're totally fine.
Really? Okay. I can't wait to figure out what I did wrong and what I did right.
I think you're doing an excellent job.
Thank you.
Voila!
I'm so sorry.
What's so wrong?
Nothing. Just gonna use this. I don't know. Okay. I guess the cream is nice. Okay, there.
Perfect.
Black lipstick.
And the color what?
It's
Underneath.
like a red. I don't put this.
So we're using the MAC lipstick in the color creme in your car.
This part always the worst. Okay, I'm gonna do the sad part, the hard part. I did all the easy parts, and now it's time for the hard part, which is eyeliner. It just says $8.79 black.
It's by Wet n Wild. That's my favorite eyeliner because my eye does run, like it cries all the time. My eyes are super sensitive, so I need something waterproof, and that's the only thing that I found to work for me out of all the waterproof products.
I'm just talking. I'm trying to open this. I cannot open it. Oh my gosh, how? I'm scared.
Pray for me, guys. Okay.
Hey.
It's okay. You cannot fix it. You have to just keep going.
don't know how everything's just okay for you.
Because it's okay.
We have this. My mom's been having this same one since I was like 5. Well, since I can remember.
Not the same one. But
Yeah.
But it's true. I've been
it's the
I use
same
the
kind
same
of brand.
product. Same product. I feel like the products that I use never change. If you guys want to recommend any new products for me to use, drop the comment down below. I'm just, I stick to regular G stuff, What can I say? It works. I'm going to stay with it. I'm just going to stay with it. All right.
It's called Great Lash. It's very black. That's all it says about it.
Nice.
Okay, this part's going to be scary. Oh no, it's not for the eyebrows. It's lip liner. Lip liner. That's all it really says about it. The rest is like blurred out or something. But yeah, we're just gonna.
It's that old.
By Apple. I don't think it's by the phone Apple. Phone company. But
that'd be pretty gnarly.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
It's called Rosewater Toner. Tone and Tan Formula. Yeah. It's just rose water. Okay, I'm gonna need you to close your eyes. There we go.
Perfect. And there's the final look, guys. How does it look? I'm gonna get a close up. Oh. I'm looking fabulous. Thank you, Lila. You're a new MUA, new makeup artist. All right, so there is the final look. As you can see, my daughter did a great job. She's learning. And yeah, what do you think? Any thoughts on this look that you created?
I made it look good. I think I'll get better throughout the years.
Oh, I'm sure. Guys, so that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe. No, thumbs down, please.
Bye.